Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Almay Intense Eye Color for Bold Nudes for Brown Eyes. And it's 0.12 ounces by Almay. Now, one of the biggest things that I've known Almay for is that their products are hypoallergenic. So if you have any allergies to eye makeup in general, mascara, eyeshadow, liner, they make a completely hypoallergenic line. And this particular palette is made specifically for brown eyes, and it actually lays out exactly how you put the eyeshadow on your eye. This would be the base, this would be the crease, and this is the highlight in the eyebrow. So it's pretty cool. I mean, it shows you on here. So basically it says apply to the bottom of the shade to all over the lid. Blends center shade into the crease. Sweep top shade onto the brow bone to highlight. So it's a 3-step process, and I don't know why it's called Bold Nudes, because this is a purple eyeshadow and it's for people with brown eyes. I have no answer for that. I have no idea why they would call it for the Bold Nudes. I don't really associate purple being a nude. So this is a this is a palette I bought because I have brown eyes. My eyes have changed color a few times in my life. I was born with blue eyes, which turned to brown, to a dark brown. And then in high school, they were hazily greenish brown. And now they're back to just a general brown. I don't think my eye color is that spectacular, but I have been told I have pretty eyes, so that's nice to hear. I remember being a kid and hearing people say, "You have pretty eyes," and I was like, what does that mean? It meant that I had pretty eyes. I didn't know that eyes were an attractive thing. I just thought they were utilitarian and that you used your eyes for seeing and viewing things. So I didn't think of them as something that was that you could look at and say was beautiful. But now I look back and think, oh, I would love those comments now. I still get it every once in a while, but you know, I digress. Once again, back to the Almay. Like I said, it's a kind of like a dummy-proof eyeshadow kit because it tells you where to blend the eyeshadow on your lid, where to blend it in the crease, and where to top it with the brow bone. So what I always do with my eyeshadows, because I feel like they show up better on camera and they show up better in general, and this will also show you the staying power, I'm going to use a little bit of the Milani eyeshadow primer in nude, which can be used on any skin tone. It's just basically a nude primer. So what I'm going to do is put it on. It takes about 30 seconds to set. And it's creamy, and what you want is something that's going to block the color of your eyelids so that the pigment comes out more, and also work on a smooth surface. So I'm just rubbing it in right here so that you can see what these 3 colors look like. And I'm going to use a brush instead of the little applicator that it came with. If I can get this open. So here is the all over, or the lid purple, which is a really beautiful color. When I found out that purple, because purple's my favorite color, when I found out that purple was the best thing for brown eyes, I couldn't have had a happier day. I was so excited. I was like, I get to wear more purple on my eyes. So then pretend this is the crease of the eye here. You go in, it has a little bit of a glittery color. And then I'm going to wipe this off really quick and show you what the brow bone color looks like. So it's just, you might not want to put on quite that much of the highlighter. I'm kind of just showing you for demonstration purposes. But this definitely, you want a brow bone highlighter because it catches shows up really well in pictures. Yeah, it just kind of completes your look. So again, this is the Almay Intense it's letter I color Bold Nudes for brown eyes, 0.12 ounces by Almay. If you have brown eyes, I suggest you try it, but like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.